Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Virgo placements. Okay, so yeah, this is your December reading. Okay, so syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay, so yes, yung ating mga charms. So ito yung isa natin, yung ating cord cutting. Okay, so ganyan siya. O, diba? Nadadali ko lang kapag shuffle ako. So, yan si cord cut, no? Necklace siya actually. Pero, kung ayaw mo isuot, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa white pouch. Okay, so ano bang meron kay cord cutting? So, si cord cutting po, siya yung nagtatanggal ng blockages. Okay, so, mamadaliin ko lang tong reading. Papasadaan lang natin kung anong meron. So, ito yung 2-in-1 Love and Money bracelet natin for love and money. Okay, ito naman yung ating granter. So, dito ka pwedeng mag-wish. Pwede ka ditong mag-manifest. Okay? So, i-grant niya yun. Kung wala kang blockage, yes, walang downtime. Okay? Hindi ka para paghintayin ni granter. And, syempre, kung mayroon kang blockages, so ito yung makakatulong sa'yo. Aalsin ito yung blockage. And lahat ng pwedeng nag-grant nung dalawa na to is pwedeng pumasok na ng maganda. Okay? So, yes, meron din tayong mga evil eye protection. So, ring, necklace, bracelets. Okay? And meron din tayo nung pang-cleanse. Naubos yung sage ko. Oh my gosh. Oo. Hindi ka naman pwedeng pakialaman yung sa inyo. Diba? Anyway. So, si white sage and selenite, yun ang ating pang-cleanse and ang ating pang-recharge ng inyong mga charms and crystals. Wala nang paghihintay sa full moon. Okay, and syempre, yung ating attraction spray. Attracting spray for love and money. So, ito po yun, no? So, meron tayong dalawang scent nito. So, ito yung Chase Me. Okay, so, meron tayong Chase Me and Embrace Me. So, dalawa yung scent. Maganda yung, bestseller. Okay, yung ating parehong pinapagawa. So, okay, so, ganyan siya po, ha? 50 ml. Okay, so for love and money rin, okay, para makakuha ka ng maraming customers, ano nga diba, for attraction, yan, for attracting, okay, energies, okay, and syempre, yung ating bago, so ito na, okay, so ito yung bago natin, this is our healing oil, okay, so meron tayong kakolab dito, ayaw lang niya magpakilala. So, healing oil, so pwede yan for physical, okay, may mga masasakit sa katawan nyo, so ito siya. This is 30 ml, okay, so, ang amoy nito, okay, amoyin natin. Refreshing. Yes, merong menthol, ano ba? Parang meron siyang ginger. Ay, ito pala, white tea and ginger scent. O, diba? Nandito. White tea and ginger scent. So, 30 ml. So, again, kung meron kayong mga questions pa about that, no? About our item. So, just message me. Okay, so again, let's see what's for our Virgos this December. Okay, Virgo placements this December for Virgos this December, general and the person on your mind reading. Okay, so claim it, ting 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 ting, wala tayong bell, ting ting ting. Claim nyo na agad, unexpected income, hindi kabilang dito yung bonus, yung 13-month pay, hindi kasama yun dito, ha? Okay? So, claim this. So, again, paano magmamanifest yung ganitong mga energy? Share the video para makakuha tayo ng maraming makakita, makakaalam ng ating energy. Okay? So, ganun po yun. Oo. Kaya pansin nyo minsan sa mga nagpo-post ng masasama, tigilan nyo yung pagpo-post ng ganyan kasi maraming nakakaalam, maraming ganto ganyan ang iniisip ng mga tao. Matatakot sila kasi pwedeng, yes, ang sinasabi mo is ganto ganyan. Yeah, ganun yun. So, hindi naiiba sa ganitong energy na maganda. So, ito yung mga dapat sinishare, no? Okay, so unexpected income, mature woman, and diba? Sudden wealth. Number 777. Angel number 777. Pwedeng ikaw ito nakakita palagi ng number, angel number 777. Okay, this could be your message. This could be, sabihin natin your reading. Okay? So, let's see. Anong meron dito sa unexpected income? So, number 27, 6 and 11 could be significant this December. Or for you, significant. Okay. Unexpected income. What's with this? What's with this unexpected income this December for Virgos? Ang ganda. This is you. This is you. Some of you, ito is talagang kailangan i-manifest. Try to connect kay universe. Try to connect. Some of you, ito ay minamanifest mo talaga. So, ang maganda talaga is share. Share nyo itong video. Para maraming makakita, maraming makapag-manifest. Okay? It's like, wala kaming idea na may ganun pala. Okay? Kaya kailangan nating iparinig sa ibang tao. Okay? So, yun. So, pwede pong may mag-manifest something. Some of you, this could be sabihin nating a surprise. Okay? In general. Money form. Yeah, money form. Diba? So, what's with this mature woman? The 6 of Swords in reversed. Okay. Anong meron dyan sa 6 of Swords in reversed? Page of Cups. Meron ako dito nakikita pagkakaayos ngayong December. Pagkakaayos na pwede sa isang mother figure or father figure po. No? Okay, so judgment. Hindi ko alam kung pagkakaayos ba to or pagkikitang muli. Okay? Pagkikitang muli. So, what's with this sudden wealth for Virgos? Money is going up. Claim it. Money is going up for you. Sudden wealth, the Chariot. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng makakabili ng bagong sasakyan. Not for all, pero yes, gusto natin para sa lahat. Okay? Yeah. Ang daming opportunities ang pwede dumating ngayong December for you, Virgos. Okay? So, yeah. Kinat lang natin. We have here the 3 of Cups. This is energy of success, victory. Okay? Sa pangkalahatan. Okay po? Oo. So, wag nang mag-atubili. I-share nyo yung video. Okay? So, yes. Diba? So, hindi naman tayo makakarinig ng mga ganito. Alam nyo naman ako, kapag pangit yung reading, talagang pangit. No? So, minsan lang tayo makapag-read ng maganda. So, wag nyo nang itago, no? Wag nyo nang hayaang, okay, nakakita ko na. I-share nyo, no? Ganun po, para mag-manifest. Marami dapat makakita, makapakinig. Okay, so let's see the person on your mind, Virgos. The person on your mind, who is this? Okay, so the 2 of Cups in reverse. So, pwedeng meron disconnection sa inyong dalawa ngayon. Okay. The 6 of Wands. Somebody is getting the attention. Ng isa. Di ko alam kung ito ay pagpapapansin. Di ko alam kung kayo ba ng taong ito is hindi pa kayo. or talagang andun pa yung gap, distance sa energy, sa physical, parang ganyan, okay? So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman dyan sa person? I think the person is attractive. Mapababae, lalaki ko naman ang gender niya. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya, Virgo? The Ten of Wands. Why? Okay. Ooh, this person is serious. Okay? He is serious. He or she, kung ano man ang gender niya, they are serious. Some of them talagang focus nito is career. Okay, busy tao, seryosong tao sa buhay. O, parang ganyan. Okay, maraming responsibilidad. Kung ito ay walang panahon sa kaharutan, well, ito yung dahilan. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano bang emosyon nito? Nakakuha ka ba ng attention from this person? Na curious ba siya sa'yo? Let's see, what is their emotion? The Queen of Cups in reverse. Why? Why naman? Okay, this person is talagang walang pakialam. Oo, no? They're like, yeah, I don't have time to play. I don't have time to date. Parang ganun eh. No? So, itong taong sabihin natin kung ano lang, andun yung hassle sa buhay niya. Siguro kung ikaw ay hassle, baka bigyan ka pa ng atensyon nito. No? Yes. Wala eh. Wala akong nakikita. I'm sorry. Yeah. Sa totoo lang, andun yung energy na parang, yes, meron naman akong time, pero mas pipiliin ko talaga eh na maging busy. Some of them pwedeng earth sign then like you. Yes. They're not open sa emotion. Masyadong busy tong taong to. No time for love actually. No time to connect. No time to flirt whatsoever. So, let's see. Ano bang meron? Next action niya towards you. Next action. Oh. The Sun. So, anong meron dyan sa Sun? Next action niya. So, ayan na. Ayan na. Okay. Ayan na. Here they come. So, magpapakita ito ng senyales na pwedeng, yeah, kahit pa paano, open na kami. Pero hindi ko nakikita talaga eh, na baka mag-expect ka lang dito eh. Baka mag-expect ka lang, yeah, the world, this is distance, gap. Pwedeng maraming differences sa inyo, no? Nung tao. So, kung sakali man, pwede kasi magbigay siya ng senyales na they're open, pwede makikipag-communicate, makikipagbiruan, pero they have boundaries, they have limits. Parang ganyan. So, let's see, anong outcome nyo this December? Aside sa pwedeng magkaroon ng, sabihin natin, communication or connection. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. Why? Mairita ka. Bakit? The Empress, eh? Wala eh. Aasa ka lang dito, no? Aasa ka lang dito. So, hindi ko nakikitang magkakaroon ng progress. So, yun na. Sinabi ko na kanina bago pa to. There's no love offer na pwedeng mangyari. Magkaka-ismidan lang kayo ng taong to eventually. No, magkaka-isnaban lang kayo. Andun yung word na, ba yan? Umasa lang ako. Kaya sinasabi ko na don't expect dito sa taong to. So, yeah, pwedeng yes. Bored lang sila that time, kaya magbibigay ito ng kaunting appreciation sa iyo, or oras, effort, whatsoever. Pero, it won't last. Yes! It won't. Madam, paano gagawin natin? Ewan ko. Ha? Hindi ka alam. Okay? Kanya-kanya pati yan. So, ang mangyayari dito, advice lang talaga yung ibibigay ko. It's like, dun tayo sa paka-play safe tayo dito, 'di ba? Hindi ko kayo pwedeng sabihan kung anong dapat gawin kasi hindi kayo pare-pareho. Okay? So, ano ba 'yan? So, mainis ka lang din. Mawawala lang din. No? Parang, kunyari, eto kayo, nasa flatline kayo. Tapos, kunyari, tataas ng ganyan kasi nagkakapansinan na. Tapos, maya, parang roller coaster ride. Yung energy. Mainis ka lang, may hilo ka lang. Diba? Hanggang sa, ayoko na. Diba? Ganun naman sinasabi nyo. Pagkakababa ng rides, ayoko na. Diba? Diba, ikaw yung taong kahit ilang beses sumakay ng roller coaster, paikot-ikot ka dun, hindi ka makakaramdam ng ng hilo, diba? Yun kung ikaw ay robot. Diba? So, tayo tumuna sa all signs. Diyos ko. Ay, buhay. So, marami pa tayong reading, ha? Oo. So, huwag kang mag-worry kung yung person mo hindi natin nakuha ngayon. Marami pa tayong reading. So, Aries, there's blockages. Taurus, they want to reconnect. They want to reunite. They want to, sabihin natin, makipag-ayos, makipagbalikan. Gemini, they're non-committal. Maybe they're not ready to commit. Cancer, they're busy working, kung ano man. Leo, some of them, they want to offer a love connection or love offer, no? Pero andun yung blockage. Virgo, you're trying to manifest things, or maybe this Virgo is manifesting, maybe you. So, Libra, I'm seeing here progress with the Libra. Scorpio, they have a lot of secrets. Sagittarius, they're mad. I don't know why. Capricorn, there's this inconsistent energy. Okay, Aquarius, they have a lot of conflicts. So, Pisces, they're moving on. Actually, they are moving on. But they're sad. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow every page. And yung sa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.